guys, in today's machine learning video, I'm telling you about pattern recognition. So yeah, I'm telling you about that. So let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with loving. So guys, in today's machine learning video, I'm telling you about the pattern recognition. So let's think about that. But first of all, what I can do, I write like here 212. So now let's start. Pattern recognition. Neural networks are used in applications like facial recognition. These applications use pattern recognition. Okay. Now, this type of classification can be done with a perceptron. Perceptrons can be used to classify data into two parts. Perceptrons are also known as linear binary classifiers. Pattern classification. Imagine a straight line, a linear graph in a space with scattered xy points. How can you classify the points over and under the line? A perceptron can be trained to recognize the points over the line without knowing the formula for the line. Perceptron. How to program a perceptron? To program a perceptron, we can use a simple JavaScript program that will create a simple plotter. Create 500 random xy points, display the xy points, create a line function fx, display the line, compute the desired answers, display the desired answers, create a simple plotter. Creating a simple plotter object is described in the AI Canvas chapter. For example, like that. Here you can see it. Let's copy it and let me go on my Replit. Okay. When I go on my Replit and when I open my Replit, so here now when my Replit has been made it. Here you can see it like that. So but we can write like code sandbox. Okay. When you made this, let me open it, and then you can click on this file, and then what you can do, you can write here this code like that. Now when you wrote like that, so now where is the preview? Then right click and enable preview editors. Where is the preview? Now preview is coming like that. Just wait a moment. Let me erase it. So now this type of code has been written. Here you can see it. Now let's come on to here. Create random xy points. Create as many xy points as I wanted. Let the x values be random between 0 and maximum. Let the y values be random between 0 and maximum. Display the points in the plotter. For example, like that. Let me copy it and let me go to here. And here I write like a script. Copy it, erase it, and then paste it. Then save it like here. Now this type of you can write it, and when I erase it, copy it, erase it, paste it. Okay, so now let's come here. Create a line function. Display the line in the plotter. For example, like that. Compute correct answers. Compute the correct answers based on the line function like y equal to x multiplied by 1.2 plus 50. Let me do it. Let's go on your Visual Studio Code. Make the file by the name of index.html. Make that file on the here on the documents. Create that file. Write here doc type. Then write here HTML. Then write here head. Then write here body. Then write here this type of codes. And now then when you write, then you can write here script tag. Then you can write this type of code. Okay. Now the desired answer is 1 if y is over the line and 0 if y is under the line. Store the desired answers in an array desired. For example, like that. Let me let me copy it. Let me erase it and let me paste it. And now it is not giving me the error. So like that you can do it. So now display the correct answers. For each point, if desired I equals to 1, display a black point, else display a blue point. For example, like this. Now let's come here. How to train a perceptron. In the next chapter, you will learn how to use the correct answers to train a perceptron to predict the output values of unknown input values. Okay. So, but till here, what I can do, I go here and then copy it, and then here I have pasted it. Erase it. Like that. You can do it, and then you can run it. Let me control Z. Now when I save it and run it, so now here you can see it, now it has been coming like that. Like that, here you can see it, and like you can do this step. And let me see the big screen. Now here you can see it. In the big screen it has been came. Here you can see it, like you can do it in the any size. Here you can see it 96, 95, and like you can do like that also. And here you can see it and do like that. Here you can see it, and you can do like 5.4 for anything, house pressure versus side. Here you can say like you can do it on your Visual Studio Code also. When I copy it and when I paste it, let me show you in the Visual Studio Code. When I save it and when I go on my documents and when I open it, so here you can see it. Here you can see it has been also coming. You can only wrote this type of code and it has been came very easily. Yes, here you can see it. Now like that you can easily do. So here you can see it. In the today's video I told you about the pattern recognition with the examples, okay, and like this type of example has been came, and how to run it. Let me tell you, you can do like that also. Like 10.8 is coming, 10.2, 9.8, 9.6, 9.4, 9, then 8.8, 8.6, and then like that it has been coming. When I small it, like you can do like that. Let me, here you can see it, like 17.55, like this type of things are coming like that. Here you can see, and you can big it also and small it also like that. Then here is coming the square meters like that very easily. Yes, so here you can see it, you can do it like that. And this is a price millions, okay, and this blue type of dots is also coming like here you can see it. So here you can see it. In today's video I told you about the pattern recognition in machine learning. So I hope you can enjoy this class. I appreciate your support through. If you genuinely appreciate my work, so please let your friends know about this course too. And if you haven't checked my whole playlist yet, so move on to the code.pk.com on my YouTube channel, so you can easily access it and bookmark it also. So now I made the next class and next very amazing class like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.